First I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last, get it that I'm never going back. Get it that I'm never going back. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up.
All right, here we go. Dang, it's so cold right now. I am freezing. But here we go. I'm trying to get some brown trout today, or just kind of just for whatever bites. Throw my little brown trout Rapala. Here we go. So usually I go right, but let's see. Let's just step up to the plate here. Let's throw it right. Whoa! Dang. Well, that was nice. That's crazy. Look at this thing. Okay. I see how this works. Alright, I'm just gonna stand here. Pull it, let it up. Got him. Look at that. Right on it with that Rapala. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh boy. Just crushed it, guys. Nice. And I'm gonna go for my limit today. I need to go back to the car and get my stuff. All right. Let's go. All right, that's one on the board. I'm literally like 20 feet from my car. My car is just right up there. So I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm just gonna go for big ones. All right. One on the board. Next one. Oh, fuck. First, though, I gotta fix my thing. I'm way tangled up in here. Oh, wow. Do you guys see this mess? Oh my God. All right, here we go. So I'm back. Or, I don't know, something. So I'm just gonna let that ride out. It's far. Want it? Oh. So far I've got one. Got one little brown trout. I'm gonna walk downstream and I probably spooked all the fish that were there, honestly. And so I'm gonna walk downstream, and I know there's some deeper water, and I know I can, like right here. I'm gonna check this out. Actually, let's get to fishing. All right, well, next spot. Oh shit. That's what you call slippery. See, I got that shit on film. I fucking fell. God damn, boy. Oh my God. Boom. There we go. Another nice one, boys. There we go. Come on. Oh my God. This is a nice fish, guys. Come on. Fuck, I'm fighting it against the current. This is terrible. Oh my God, dude. This is a huge fish. If I can just glide it. Oh my God. Jeez. Let's bring you up. Come on. Come on. Get you out. Oh, shit. I have to walk. Oh my God. Damn. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Come on in. My foot is wet. Dude. Tighten up this drag. Maybe I'm stuck. Ah. All right. You know what? I'm coming. I'm coming to you, big boy. You are not getting away. Hell no. You're all mine, big boy. Look at me. God. Get away? Hell no. Oh, all right. I'll let you go. I'm bringing your ass up. Yup, I see you. But one thing, there it is. Dude, these things are just fun. These brown trout is just crazy. Oh, what the? Oh, look at that. Oh man. Wow. Oh, I didn't even get him in the mouth. Look at that. I got him in the gut. Wow. Dang. Dude. Oh yeah. No wonder. I'm keeping this guy. Look at that. Nice. Hell yeah. Let's get some more. Let's put them on a stringer. Let's go.